Does your school use a learning management system or virtual learning environment? PrepSTEP for high schools is an LTI-certified e-learning platform from EBSCO LearningExpress, featuring college admissions test prep and curriculum-aligned resources that educators can easily embed in Schoology, Canvas, Blackboard, or Brightspace course modules. Adding a PrepSTEP resource is easy. Let's see how it works in Canvas. In this sample Algebra 2 course, the instructor has already created a module for algebra review and populated it with content. Now we are ready to add assignments to the geometry review module. To create an assignment, click the plus sign, highlight Create Assignment, give the assignment a name, and click the Add Item button. The item will appear as an assignment in your course module. Next, you will need to add PrepSTEP. Click the assignment link, click the Edit button, assign a point value or a due date, and for submission type, select External Tool, type EBSCO in the field, click Find, and select EBSCO LearningExpress. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and click Save. Now it's time to choose a PrepSTEP resource. In this instance, we are going to select Math and Science Skills Center, Geometry, and Geometry Skills. Uncheck Content Types to narrow your results. Click the Select button to add a resource. You'll get a message indicating that you have successfully added the resource to your course. Click the Assignments link for a complete list. This assignment will remain unpublished until you click to publish it. You can go back at any time to edit the assignment details or remove it from a course module. Now let's add a practice set to the module. Click the plus sign to create a new assignment. Highlight Create Assignment, give the assignment a name, and add the item. Click on the assignment, click the Edit button. Again, you may assign a point value or a due date. Under Submission Type, choose External Tool. Enter EBSCO in the field and click Find. Select EBSCO LearningExpress, which is your PrepSTEP content. Scroll to the bottom to save. Again, we will want to select the Math and Science Skills Center, the category Geometry, and the subcategory Geometry Skills. This time, we'll uncheck the tutorial and ebooks to isolate only tests. Let's choose the Applications of Geometry practice set. The message indicates that you have successfully added the resource to your course. Remember, you will need to publish the assignment in order for students to see it. Now let's take a look at how this will appear to students. Click Student View at the top of your screen. There's information about the test and a button to start the test. Students may answer the questions, and when they're finished, score my test. Click Score. And if they would like to review their answers, they can click View Answers and choose a question that they got wrong to see the correct answer explained.